So hello everyone, welcome to EduTech. So guys, if you are preparing for the upcoming NABARD examination, one thing that you might have heard when you talk about current affairs is that newspaper reading is important. Some students say newspaper reading is very important. Some says newspaper reading is not that important. But for us to conclude the both sides, the important thing to understand is let's first understand why newspapers are important. Second thing to understand is if some newspapers are important and what are these newspapers which we should read, how we should read the newspaper, what are the difficulties we face while we read a newspaper, and the most important thing is whether newspaper reading will really help or not. So guys, in today's video, I will be basically discussing about how you should read a newspaper or how you should basically approach a newspaper if you are an NABARD aspirant. But before that, guys, I just wanted to give you a glimpse of this comprehensive guidebook that we have prepared for you. If you are an NABARD aspirant, the most common thing which will be coming around your mind is you want to know more about NABARD organization. So if I talk about here in the first chapter, you are getting a detailed information about the NABARD, that what is NABARD and what is the hierarchical structure in the NABARD organization. Then in the second chapter, if I talk about guys, the most important thing जिस पे हम लोग बहुत ज्यादा टाइम लगाते हैं, it is giving all the important information about the recruitment cycle that generally students keep on searching on the YouTube videos. If I talk about different YouTube videos, first of all, you will see the recruitment cycle here. The examination pattern has been given here. ठीक है जी, the previous year cutoffs have been given here. Eligibility criteria, previous year cutoffs not just of the past 2 years. If I talk about here, the previous year cutoffs of past 5 years have been given here. इसके अलावा अगर मैं आपको बात करूं तो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, इट इज गिविंग यू द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द सिलेबस as well as the sources that you should approach for covering that specific syllabus, not just about phase 1 but also about the phase 2 organization. And if I talk about this thing, so here it is defining about the salary structure of NABARD, as well as if I talk about the most important things, what are the promotion opportunities you are getting in the NABARD organization. मतलब हर एक चीज जो आप लोग keep on searching is being defined here in a very presentable way. So as I was discussing, the information is not just about phase 1, it's about phase 1, phase 2 as well as interview. And last but not the least, a 6-step domination formula has also been defined here, how you could dominate this examination. Now you must be wondering that how you could take this guidebook from me. Guys, you just have to give me 10 seconds of yours. Yes, there is a link given below in the description below of this video. You can download that specific link and this guidebook will be yours, which is absolutely free. Yes, I'm repeating it again, it is absolutely free. It will really save your time. Within these 30 pages, aap pura ka pura the whole examination cycle you can have an idea. And do let me know about your feedback also after downloading this guidebook. Now, if I talk about the thing here, newspapers. First of all, why people always talk about newspapers when we talk about the NABARD examination? There's a reason for that. The reason it is given in the notification of NABARD itself. If you look at the NABARD notification, the most important thing here is out of your 200 questions that will be asked in your examination, only 100 questions depend, which is GA, ESI and ARD are the merit sections, and your shortlisting from phase 1 to phase 2 will be given on based on only on this merit section, which tells us that here the importance of current affairs, because current affair is playing a dominant role here. So that's why the importance of newspapers become very important here. Not just about phase 1. If you talk about the phase 2 paper also, so you can see paper 1 general English, you have to write an essay, and for essay, if you are writing a beautiful essay, you have to be very much strong on your vocab. So that's where newspaper is really helping you. Otherwise, if I talk about not just about the objective and descriptive paper, here also the current affair is playing a dominant role here, which you will see. That's why the people say newspapers are important. Okay, now let's see one thing here. I'm discussing about current affairs. You can see out of 2017 questions are from current affairs. Out of 50, 30, out of 40, 33 questions are from current affairs. ARD 7 questions are from current affairs. And if I talk about these two sections here, out of, if I talk about 60 marks, 70 marks of your paper, 50 marks of your paper is from current affairs. Okay, which tells us that current affair is really dominating. And when I talk about current affairs, newspaper is the key here. In the phase 2 examination, if I also talk about, guys, here also if I talk about the phase 2 objective paper, so here also 33 marks of your objective paper is basically from current affairs. That's why when anyone says you that newspaper is important, the reason for that is because current affair is dominating here. Now, which are the sources you should follow, which newspapers you should follow when you are preparing for current affairs? If I talk about that specific thing, so here there is not a clear-cut definition of agri and non-agri newspapers. When I talk about agriculture, ARD specific current affairs or agri current affairs, we can highlight, we can shortlist some newspapers, and for non-agri, I have shortlisted some newspapers, which is regarding GA and ESI. So for non-agri, these are the three newspapers. You can follow the Hindu, Times of India, or Indian Express. But if I talk about on a priority, if you are a beginner, and if you want to rely on a single source, you can start with the Hindu newspapers because that's important. Talking about agri newspapers, so if I talk about Hindu Business Line, it is a newspaper which will be coming to both category, agri and non-agri. Hindu Business Line, there is a specific news which is catering to agriculture section. That's why that is important. Krishi Jagran is again a very prominent source which you can follow. That is again for the ARD, agriculture current affairs. Now, students might be wondering, कि sir agriculture current affairs में तो question ही नहीं आते. So why we should read this thing? But guys, still the thing can reverse any point of time, so you should read ARD current affairs also. If you are reading, you can read from these newspapers. Now, one thing you might be wondering here is कि sir एक source आपने छोड़ दिया which students are relying heavily, that is PIB. So PIB, when I talk about this, it's not a newspaper, but it is the official source of government which is daily depicting some important information that the government is sharing with its users. So that's why when I talk about here, so PIB, if you can relate it here, it's not actually a newspaper, but yes, if I talk about as a source, it is very dominant because this is somehow covered in these newspapers also. But as a superset, PIB is again very prominent thing here. Now, when I talk about the questions here that has been asked in your phase 1 examination of 2022, you can see 65% of paper is coming from PIB, 70% in ESA is coming from PIB, and around 60% of paper is coming from PIB. The thing that I've just discussed with you, why we depict PIB as a different source, the reason being here is because PIB is a single channel in which you get all the important information from the government, and the most important thing is the questions, the lines are directly being picked from PIB. That's why we say PIB is a prominent thing here. Okay? Hindu, you can see 23% of paper is from Hindu. 3% जहाँ मैं बोल रहा हूँ तो जो 70% में PIB में काउंट कर रहा हूँ, that could also be complemented by Hindu newspapers. Similarly, here also you can see, if I talk about other sources also, if you complement Hindu or Hindu Business Line here, so here these things could be complemented in that specific newspapers. In the phase 2 examination, if I also talk about, ठीक है जी, so if I am telling you about the questions here, तो देखिए questions आया था इंडिया बांग्लादेश के ऊपर, third India Bangladesh passenger train that has been set up, so this has been directly picked up from the PIB, that is on 1st of June. ठीक है जी, India's first elevated urban expressway, this is again being handpicked directly from the PIB news. So that's why I say PIB is a prominent source, but if you are reading a newspaper, this thing can be complemented in PIB also, but as a single source, you can read directly it from PIB. Similarly, if I talk about the Hindu newspapers, the thing that I was discussing, United Nations General Assembly has elected which country to replace Russia in UNHRC. This has been directly handpicked from Hindu newspapers. Similarly, Danuri, the missile that has been the first moon mission that has been discussed here, that is again being handpicked directly from the Hindu newspaper. So, which if I talk about a newspaper which is dominating here, that's the Hindu. The Hindu is a very prominent newspaper here. If I talk about phase 2 examination, so phase 2 guys, I talk about PIB is dominating here, 15 marks. 2 marks is from other sources, which means if you are complementing Hindu here also, then also these questions could be complemented there also. तो अभी मैं जो चीज आपको बोल रहा था, PIB is a superset because it is a government source, and yes, majority of questions are being coming directly from this source. That's why if I talk about this source is very very important for our examination. Okay, ji. If I just give you an idea of PIB, so you can see there was question on e-Naam scheme that we have seen in the examination. So you can see this thing because the questions that we were seeing के बहुत ज़्यादा difficult थे. तो यहाँ पे कर्नाटका वाला question है, you can see this thing. e-Naam platform is made interoperable with Rashtriya E-Market Service Private Limited, a platform of Government of Karnataka, and this is being directly handpicked from this specific article of PIB. ठीक है जी? Now we have discussed about how the questions have come across. Now comes a very important thing. हमने sources भी पता कर लिए कौन से में पढ़ने हैं, हमें न्यूज़पेपर्स क्यों पढ़ना है, that we have understood. Now comes a very prominent thing. कि what are the difficulties you face when you talk about newspapers, because if newspaper reading is that much important, still there are some difficulties which students generally face. So now the question is whether to read a newspaper or not. Why we have discussed, sources we have discussed, पर क्या पढ़ना भी है कि नहीं पढ़ना. So for that I just want to give you a glimpse of this, the Hindu newspaper of Hindu newspaper of today. ठीक है जी. I think just give me a second. Just give me a second. Okay जी. So here you can see. Now if you have seen the recent newspaper of Hindu, ठीक है, अगर आप recent हिंदू का newspaper देख रहे हो तो यहाँ पे you must be feeling this kind of thing. ठीक है जी. You must be feeling that archive में आपके different articles दिए गए हैं. ठीक है जी. That is you can see 21st of November. ठीक है, India specific news, and from here you could see the different sections also. Andhra, business, education. Now you must be wondering कि सर काफी easy हो गया, but problem यहाँ पे क्या है? The Hindu is, for example, if some biodiversity or if some any sanctuary is in Tamil Nadu has been set up or has achieved some milestone, that will not be covered under the Indian section. That will be covered under this either in Chennai section or either in the Tamil Nadu section of Hindu newspapers. So that's why Hindu newspapers become really difficult. ठीक है जी. तो अगर हम देखते हैं, ठीक है जी, so that's why this newspapers becomes difficult because काफी ज्यादा difficult हो जाता है आपको सबसे पहले filtration of links. That is from the Hindu newspaper. So here if you can see the latest newspaper of Hindu, that's how. तो आपको एक एक चीज यहाँ पे सर्च करनी पड़ेगी, एक एक आर्टिकल पे आपको जाना पड़ेगा. ठीक है जी. You have to see each and every one of these tags here and then you have to filter out the news here, which really becomes a tedious task for your examination. अभी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, but at the time of the examination it becomes really a tedious task for us. Similarly, when I talk about कृषि जागरण, ठीक है. So कृषि जागरण, if I talk about here, the कृषि जागरण, the important thing you will be seeing here is, here again there is no clear cut definition here. यहाँ पे the news are going on and you can see here. ठीक है जी, news are going on here and if I talk about the thing here, you can see here. तो यहाँ पे सबसे पहले the most important thing, the most important problem you must be facing here is filtration of news. News articles काफी ज्यादा है और इनकी filtration करना बहुत बड़ी problem है. So when I talk about whether to read a newspaper, the problems you will be facing first. Issues क्या से हैं? Number of news articles are very large. बहुत ज्यादा. There are huge number of articles you can see in Hindu also, in Krishti Jagran also. Filtration. It's difficult to filter out the news which is important for the examination. That's why when I talk about students say newspaper reading is not happening, this is the thing here, because issues are number of news articles बहुत ज्यादा हैं, difficult है news filter करना और बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है to understand what to read and what to leave, because first you are filtering a news, then you are reading a news, so then it becomes really a tedious task. So now what is the solution here? The solution here is you should go with the compilations. So I can talk about my compilations that we are providing for you at the EduTap. So guys, all the sources that I've discussed with you are being comprehensively covered here in our course. ठीक है जी, the schemes are covered under schemes tab. Reports are covered under the reports document. Current affairs are covered under the current affairs magazine of GA, ESI and finance. And for ARD, we have a separate magazine that is the ARD current affairs. So my best thing is guys, go with the compilations because I have shared with you the issues that are important for you, that issues that you will be facing when you are reading a newspaper. So you can go with compilation, any compilation of your choice. But wait for a second. I told you one thing. Now many of the students will be going from here कि सर ने बोला है compilations पढ़ लीजिए, newspapers नहीं पढ़ने. But one thing more guys, I've discussed about objective paper. What about descriptive paper? You have to write descriptive answer also. And when I started the lecture, I told you that when you have to write an essay, your vocab plays a very prominent role here. Now what about descriptive? So read editorials that are relevant for the examination. So the important thing here is it's not to completely, you can say कि newspapers बिल्कुल ही नहीं पढ़ना, but it's not completely कि आपको सारा newspapers पढ़ना है. So there is a mixed approach here. When I talk about the newspapers, the most important thing is there's a mixed approach. For phase 1 content, if I talk about for the objective, you should not start reading newspapers. You can go with the compilation. But for your understanding, for your interview preparation, you should have an idea what are the things that are going on. So which means you should read the editorials that are relevant for the examination. Now what I mean by relevant for the examination. First thing is they must be related to your examination, that is related to the syllabus of the examination. Okay, ji. Second thing is it should be relatable to the examination. Now I give you an example for that. Okay, ji. So this is the news that is basically regarding the COP27 commitment. COP27 ने कुछ कमिटमेंट की है उसके ऊपर लॉस एंड डैमेजेस ऑफ फंड्स दैट आर कमिटेड, that is a news related to COP27. So this is if I talk about this because it is talking about a climate conference that has recently taken place. This is important for the ESI section. Okay, if I just give you an idea of this article also. Okay, so here you can see incremental win and loss. So detailed article has been given here, basically which is talking about the alliance of small states and islands. So it is basically talking about the fund that has been released at COP27. So that is important for the examination. Now, if I talk about the second article is basically talking about 2022 FIFA World Cup. So बहुत सारे बच्चे excited हो जाएंगे कि FIFA World Cup हो रहा है. But guys, if you talk about this specific article, this is basically focusing on what Qatar will be doing for the FIFA World Cup, or which players will be the participating players here. Now the important thing is which one to read or which one to left. So if I talk about for the examination perspective, this article is important because this is clearly talking about a very prominent topic of COP27 or climate change. And if you talk about the NABARD syllabus में clear cut defined है climate change is the topic here, which is not only for ESA but it's also being important for the ARD section also. And if I talk about this article, इसको नहीं पढ़ना है because this is not relevant for the examination, which means you do not have to read each and every editorials. You only have to handpick those editorials which are important for the examination. So now if you are making notes on your own, आपको क्या करना है? Thing is, first of all, refer to the PYQs, revise your notes that you are making multiple number of times. It's not just reading, it's not just writing in your notes. You have to revise them also. Read and revise them, practice more and more number of MCQs, and the most important thing is, at this point I will say, analyze the thing. If you are making some mistakes, analyze your mistakes. Or important चीज, ठीक है, you should write one descriptive answer daily from today onwards, because descriptive again plays a very prominent role in your NABARD examination. So this is the time where you should approach with the things in which you are weak. Okay, जिस चीज में आप वीक हो आप वहां से अप्रोच कीजिए, and then ultimately you can start with all the things if you are making notes on your own. So guys, this was all from my side. ठीक है जी. So if you have liked the video guys, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, and to get the access of the PDFs that we are providing to you, so the link of the Telegram channel is given below. You can subscribe to the Telegram channel also, so that you can get the PDF of the lectures that we are taking on YouTube. Still, if you have any kind of doubt, you could drop me an email at hello@edutab.co.in, or you could even have a call with us on the number that is 81462 I hope guys the lecture is fruitful for you. So keep learning, keep preparing hard. Wishing you all the best for examination. Bye bye.